Hello everyone and welcome to Tying News. This is Anu Ambani. We are at the Intersolar Europe 2025 and this is the last day, almost the last leg of the event, but there is a lot of excitement going on. We are at Sonnen's booth today and we have with us Roland, who's going to tell us more about their new product launch at the event. Welcome to Tying News, Roland.
Hello, thank you very much. So my name is Roland Burger. I'm a product manager at Sonnen since more than 4 years now, and I'm especially responsible for our battery systems. And here is our new system we are introducing here at the exhibition, and this is a hybrid system. So it's DC coupled, and so the speciality is that we have a specific hybrid inverter, which has two main features. It is charging the battery, but at the same time the PV modules are connected to it. And our product is a bit special because it has 2 or even 4 MPP trackers to really optimize the PV production from the roof. And this is very important, especially if we have different orientations on the roof and everything. So we have a great flexibility and we can connect it with our battery systems and have here also a big flexibility in terms of the number of battery modules to integrate into this battery cabinet. So it can be from 5.5 kilowatt hours up to 27.5 kilowatt hours in just this one casing. And also the steps in between with 11, 16.5 and 22 kilowatt hours are possible. So this is quite important for us at Sonnen, as we are really a manufacturer of battery systems now since more than 15 years, and we have different types of systems. And the last years we really focused also on retrofitting systems for existing PV systems. And now here with this system, this is a new system especially for new installations, when the installation is done between PV system and battery at the same time. So there is quite efficient, cost optimized, and this is why here we see the big advantages and why we got really very positive feedback at the exhibition here at Intersolar for this new system. So we will introduce. One thing I forgot to mention, and this is that we have also a very new backup system. We call it the easy backup because it's very easy to install, because it's just a small switch that is needed to be installed in the main cabinet, and it can then open the grid connection point from the house to the grid in case there is a blackout, and directly after that the system supplies the loads in the house. So that's quite unique. We think it's very small, very cost efficient, and we ship it with every system. So the installer can really then to decide to install it or not, and not has to additionally buy it, purchase it, order it, and all this is not necessary. So this new system, as I said, got very good feedback here at the exhibition in München, and so we will now production started, and we will now ship the first units then in June, starting in Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and in the next step we will then introduce it in Sweden by second half of this year. So I hope I was able to explain a bit the product to you, and that you're the same optimistic like me about this product, and then hopefully you get your system also. Thank you.